What if I told you that one of the most powerful tools for protecting your heart isn't a fancy prescription, but something in your kitchen right now? Garlic. This humble bulb, famous for flavor, is packed with life-saving benefits that science is only now fully appreciating. Today, we'll uncover 5 incredible ways garlic protects your heart, breaking down the science and giving you easy tips to add more to your diet. By the end, you'll see garlic not just as a cooking ingredient, but as a loyal guardian for your most vital organ. Stick around. Your heart will thank you. Let's start with blood pressure. It's a vital sign that tells us how hard your heart is working to pump blood throughout your body. Maintaining healthy blood pressure is crucial for overall well-being, and it's something we should all be mindful of. High blood pressure is often called the silent killer because it can damage your heart and arteries for years without you even knowing it. That's why regular checkups and awareness are so important. Think of your arteries as your body's plumbing, a complex network of pipes that carries life-giving blood to every organ and tissue. Just like the pipes in your home, these arteries need to be clear and functioning properly to ensure everything runs smoothly. Over time, they can get clogged with plaque, a buildup of cholesterol, and other substances. This narrowing of the arteries raises blood pressure, forcing your heart to work harder to pump blood through the constricted pathways. But what if I told you there's a natural way to help keep your arteries clear? Garlic acts as a natural plumber, a simple yet powerful tool in your arsenal for cardiovascular health. Garlic helps your blood vessels relax and widen, lowering pressure and improving blood flow. This allows blood to circulate more freely, delivering oxygen and nutrients to where they're needed most. The secret? Allicin, a sulfur-containing compound responsible for garlic's pungent aroma and many of its health benefits. Allicin isn't present in whole garlic cloves. It's only formed when garlic is crushed, chopped, or chewed, triggering a chemical reaction that releases this potent compound. Allicin boosts nitric oxide production in the body. Nitric oxide is a powerful vasodilator, meaning it helps relax and widen blood vessels, allowing for smoother blood flow and reduced pressure. Numerous studies show that garlic supplements, particularly those containing allicin, can significantly reduce blood pressure in individuals with hypertension. In some cases, the blood pressure-lowering effects of garlic can be comparable to those of standard medications, making it a valuable natural alternative or complement to conventional treatment. You don't need fancy pills or expensive supplements to reap the benefits of garlic. The best way to get your allicin fix is to simply use fresh garlic in your cooking. Crush or chop a clove of fresh garlic to release the allicin. Then, let it sit for about 10 minutes before cooking or eating it. This allows the allicin to fully develop and become more potent. After the resting period, add it to your food. This simple step maximizes the amount of allicin you get and therefore its potential health benefits. Garlic is incredibly cheap, readily available in almost every grocery store, and can be easily incorporated into almost any savory dish you can imagine. Remember, a little bit of chopping and a short waiting period can transform your ordinary food into a powerful form of medicine. So next time you're in the kitchen preparing a meal, think of crushing a clove of garlic as calling in a friendly, natural plumber to help keep your arteries clean and healthy. It's a small habit that can have a big impact on your long-term cardiovascular health. And this is just the beginning of our journey into the world of natural remedies for a healthier heart. We've tackled the issue of high blood pressure, but what about the sticky gunk that builds up inside those pipes, restricting blood flow and causing further complications? That's what we'll be addressing next: cholesterol and how to manage it naturally. And guess what? Garlic's approach to cholesterol management is just as impressive as its effect on blood pressure. Think of it like this: garlic is like a bouncer, kicking the bad guys. In this case, excess cholesterol out of the club, preventing them from causing trouble in your arteries. Stay with me, and we'll explore how garlic can help you maintain healthy cholesterol levels and keep your arteries clear. We've discussed the importance of keeping blood pressure in check. Now, let's shift our focus to another critical aspect of heart health: cholesterol. Understanding cholesterol levels is key to maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. When we talk about cholesterol, it's important to distinguish between the different types. LDL, or low-density lipoprotein, is often referred to as the bad cholesterol. This is the troublemaker that tends to stick to the walls of your arteries. Over time, this accumulation leads to the formation of dangerous plaque, narrowing the arteries and increasing the risk of heart disease. Now, imagine you have a dedicated guardian, a protector against this LDL invasion. Garlic acts like a bouncer, stepping in to help lower total and LDL cholesterol levels. It's a natural way to support healthier cholesterol numbers. The magic lies in its unique compounds, especially allicin, which is released when garlic is crushed or chopped. These compounds interfere with the liver's cholesterol production, a key process in regulating cholesterol levels in the body. By influencing cholesterol production, garlic helps in keeping those LDL bad guys in check, preventing them from wreaking havoc on your arteries. Extensive research shows that regular garlic consumption can modestly but significantly reduce LDL cholesterol, contributing to a healthier lipid profile. While the effect might not be as dramatic as a statin medication, which are powerful cholesterol-lowering drugs, garlic is a powerful natural tool that can be incorporated into your daily routine. It's especially beneficial for those who are actively making lifestyle changes to improve their heart health. One simple way to incorporate more garlic into your diet is to use it in homemade dressings and marinades. For a heart-healthy dressing, mix olive oil, fresh lemon juice, a pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, and plenty of freshly minced garlic. Let the mixture sit for at least 10 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Then use it generously. The olive oil supports good cholesterol, also known as HDL, while garlic shows LDL the door, preventing it from causing harm. It's a perfect tag team, working synergistically to protect your heart. Every drizzle of this flavorful dressing is like garlic's bouncer at work, diligently keeping your arteries clear and promoting healthy blood flow. Remember, healthy choices don't have to be bland or boring. They can be incredibly delicious. Garlic not only elevates the flavor of your dishes, but also actively protects your heart. It's a win-win. Next, let's explore another fascinating aspect of garlic's health benefits: how it acts as your body's fire extinguisher against inflammation. Now let's tackle chronic inflammation. It's a silent threat, often unnoticed, yet it can wreak havoc on your body over time. We're going to explore how to combat this hidden danger. Chronic inflammation, the hidden fire relentlessly damaging your arteries. It's not a fleeting issue, it's a persistent problem that needs our attention. Inflammation is your body's natural and necessary response to injury, infection, or irritation. It's part of the healing process, a signal that your immune system is working to repair damage. But when it smolders constantly, like a low-grade persistent burn, it harms your heart and blood vessels. This chronic state can lead to serious cardiovascular issues. Garlic, a common kitchen staple, is packed with antioxidants, nature's defenders against cellular damage. Garlic is especially rich in sulfur compounds like allicin, which is released when garlic is crushed or chopped. This compound is a powerhouse of health benefits. These sulfur compounds neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that contribute to oxidative stress and cellular damage, effectively protecting your cells from harm. Think of antioxidants as foam on a fire, a protective barrier that smothers the flames of inflammation. They're calming inflammation before it spreads and causes further damage to your arteries and heart. It's a proactive approach to cardiovascular health. Research shows garlic can significantly lower inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein, or CRP, a key indicator of inflammation in the body. By reducing these inflammatory markers, garlic directly contributes to reducing your overall risk of heart disease and promoting cardiovascular health. If raw garlic is too strong or causes digestive discomfort, try roasting it to mellow the flavor. Roasting mellows the pungent flavor, but still retains many of the beneficial compounds that fight inflammation and support heart health. To roast garlic, simply slice the top off a whole garlic head, exposing the individual cloves. Then, drizzle generously with olive oil, ensuring each clove is coated, and wrap the entire head snugly in aluminum foil. Bake in a preheated oven until the cloves are soft and easily pierced with a fork. Once cooled slightly, squeeze out the creamy, caramelized cloves. You can then spread the roasted garlic on toast for a flavorful snack, or mix it into your favorite dishes for an added boost of flavor and health benefits. Each roasted clove is like a tiny capsule of fire-extinguishing power, working to protect your arteries from the damaging effects of inflammation. Garlic helps manage blood pressure, keeping it within a healthy range. It also aids in clearing out bad cholesterol and other harmful substances that can accumulate in your arteries. And most importantly, it actively puts out the fires of inflammation, protecting your heart and promoting overall well-being. But its job isn't done. Next, we need to keep the traffic in your bloodstream flowing smoothly, ensuring optimal cardiovascular function. Garlic's next job? Preventing blood clots, the traffic jams of your bloodstream. Platelets are your body's first responders, but sometimes they get too sticky and form clots inside arteries. Garlic acts as a traffic controller, making platelets less sticky and reducing unnecessary clumping. The compound gene is key here, interfering with platelet aggregation. Studies show regular garlic consumption reduces platelet stickiness, a mild blood-thinning effect that's great for heart health. Add garlic to soups and stews for comfort and protection. Simmering garlic infuses its benefits throughout the dish. Every spoonful is a dose of traffic-controlling magic. You're not just making a meal, you're brewing a heart-protective potion. Garlic wears many hats: plumber, bouncer, fire extinguisher, and traffic controller. But what happens when you put it all together? Let's look at the big picture. Garlic isn't just doing one job, it's your heart's loyal bodyguard, working on multiple fronts. Lower blood pressure, less plaque, reduced inflammation, and smooth blood flow all add up to a powerful defense system. The result? Improved circulation, more energy, and a heart that doesn't have to work as hard. The science is clear, all these effects work together for a healthier you. Want to make garlic your daily bodyguard? Start with breakfast. Add minced garlic to eggs or avocado toast for a heart-healthy start. Every clove is another layer of protection. Garlic isn't just a flavor booster, it's a key player in a heart-healthy lifestyle. You're in charge of your health, making smart, delicious choices. Embrace your heart's loyal bodyguard. Let garlic become a staple in your kitchen and your life. There you have it, 5 ways garlic acts as your heart's personal bodyguard. It's not magic, it's science, and proof that food can be powerful medicine. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more health deep dives. Drop a comment with your favorite way to cook with garlic. Remember, heart health is about small, consistent choices. Adding garlic is a simple, powerful step. Your heart is in your hands. Protect it, nourish it, and stay healthy. Thanks for watching.